Good morning, everyone, students. Hope everyone is fine and enjoyed rainy day. Am I audible, children? My voice is clear? If yes, show me your thumbs. Show me your thumbs up. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you. Let's start the class. So, children, in previous class, we did exercise 4.5. Okay, we did exercise 4.5. Okay, what is given in 4.5? In this, we have done the subtraction with regrouping. That is subtraction with borrowing. Okay, now today we are going to do exercise 4.6. Okay, which is given on page number 63. Which is given on page number 63. Okay, page number 63. Okay, here in this exercise, we have to subtract the numbers with 0 at one's place. Okay, numbers with 0 at one's place. Now, what are the numbers with 0 at one's place? They are the numbers, okay, tens numbers. Okay, 0 at one's place means these numbers are like 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Okay, these numbers have 0 at one's place. So today we are going to learn how to subtract the numbers if in the minuend, if the minuend has 0 at one's place, if the bigger number has 0 at one's place. Okay, so children, be ready with your books, all of you. Page number 63. Open page number 63 and ready with your required stationeries. Okay, take pencil, eraser, sharpeners and be ready. With me, you have to write all these answers. Okay, one by one I will be solving, explaining, and you have to copy it down in your book. Okay, so first question is, I'm not writing tens and ones. Okay, I'm not writing tens and ones. I'm just writing the numbers. Okay, so 50 minus 36. First question is 50 minus 36. Okay, so first we subtract which place? Ones place. Okay, first we subtract ones place and then we subtract tens place. Okay, so first let us see what is at ones place. At ones place we have to subtract 6 from 0. But 0 means nothing. Okay, we cannot subtract any number from 0. So what we need to do is we need to borrow from tens place. We need to borrow 1 from tens place. So what is at tens place? 5. Okay, what is at tens place? 5. So when we will take away 1 from 5, 5 becomes 4. Okay, when we take away 1 from 5, 5 becomes 4. Now, when we borrow 1 for 0, okay, when this 1 tens goes to ones place, it becomes 10 ones. Okay, that means what? It becomes 10. And 10 plus 0 is what? Is 10. Okay, 0 means nothing. So 10 plus 0 is 10. Okay, so what are the changes here? The 0 becomes 10. Okay, when we borrow 1 from 5, it becomes 4. And we pass this borrowing to ones place, the 0 becomes 10. Okay, now we'll subtract. Now we'll subtract. Okay, children, let's continue. So, what is it ones place? Now we have to subtract, take away 6 from 10. Okay, now we have to take away 6 from 10. So, open 10 fingers. Okay, open 10 fingers. Now we have to take away 6. So, 5 and 6. What is left? What is the answer? 4. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. What will be the answer? Show me your fingers. 4 minus 3. Show me your fingers. Subtract and find out the answer and show me your finger. What will be the answer? Have your hands down, beta. Sabia? Yes. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. Dhirendra Pratap Chauhan. Very good. The answer is 1. Okay. 4 minus 3, 1. So, what is the difference here? 14. 50 minus 36 is 14. Now, next question is, 60 minus 29. 60 minus 29. Okay. Now, at ones place, we have to take away 9 from 0. Okay. We have to take away 9 from 0. So, again, to subtract, we cannot subtract any number from 0. And to subtract, we need to borrow from next place. That is from tens place. Okay. So, Ishan Patel, sit properly, beta. Yes. Okay. So, when we take away 1 from 6, what will be the change? 6 becomes 5. Okay. When we take away 1 from 6, what is left? 5. And when this we'll pass this borrowing to ones place, the 0 becomes 10. Okay. The 0 becomes 10. 1 10 will convert into 10. Okay. So now 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9. What will be the answer? 10. We have to take away 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is left? 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. Now 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. What is left? 3. Okay. So answer is 3. Right? Now, question number C. Savia, why are you doing like this? Put your hand down. Yes. Write the answers. I'll talk to you afterwards. Okay? Write the answer first. 40 minus 26. Next question is 40 minus 26. Okay. So now we have to subtract the numbers 40 and 26. We have to take away 26 from 40. Okay. Now to subtract, first we begin the subtraction from ones place. And what is at ones place? 0 and 6. Okay. Again, we cannot subtract 6 from 0. Okay. We cannot subtract any number from 0. So we'll borrow from tens place. Now what is at tens place? 4. Okay. Now when we'll take away 1 from 4, 4 becomes 3. And when this 1 passes to ones place, okay, what happens? 110 changes into 10. So 0 becomes 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Okay. You just have to cut this 0 and write 10. You have to cut 4 and write 3 above. Okay. Now we'll subtract. Now 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 again 4. Okay. We have solved here also. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. What will be the answer? 3 minus 2. Adya saying? Second D. Show me your finger. What will be the answer? Show me your finger. 3 minus 2. What will be the answer? Yes. Yeah. Good. So 3 minus 2, 1. Again 14. Okay. The answer is 14. Okay. Now question number D. Question number D. I hope you all are writing with me. Yes, Rayansh Sinha. Rayansh Sinha, are you writing? Answers are written? Yeah. Okay. Let's write C. Till then I'll write question number D. I'm writing D here. The numbers we have to subtract are 50 and 90. 50 and 90. Okay, this is question number D. Okay. Now again see here. We have 0 and 9 at one's place. Okay. So to subtract the number from 0, now we'll borrow from 5. Okay. So when we'll borrow 1 from 5, 5 becomes what? Show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. Kaustubh Tripathi. What will be the answer, beta? If we take away 1 from 5, what is left here? Yeah, very good. Okay. 4. Okay. Now, when we'll pass this, when we have borrowed 1 from 5, so 5 becomes 4. Now, when this 1 goes to 1's place, what will be the change? 0 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 क्या हो जाएगा? Very good, Kaustubh. Aradhya Saurabh, second B. What will be the change? 0 क्या हो जाएगा? When we'll pass the borrowing to 1's place. Yes, very good. Okay, so the 0 becomes 10. Very good. You all are understanding. Very nice. Okay. Now we'll subtract. 1's place and 1's place. Now we have to subtract 10 minus 9. We have to do 10 minus 9. Okay. So 10 minus 9. Arifa Khadun. What will be the answer? 10 minus 9. Show me your finger. 10 minus 9. What will be the answer? Solve. Yes. Fast. Okay. 10 minus 9. 5. Taken away 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is left? 1. Okay. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Now again tell me, what is 4 minus 1? Anurag Yadav, second B. What is 4 minus 1? Show me your fingers. Very good, Kaustubh. You are answering. Very good. Yes, Anurag. Show me your fingers, Anurag. Second B, roll number 11. 4 minus 1. What will be the answer? 4 minus 1. Count on your fingers. Yes, very good, Aradhya. Your answer is correct. So 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. Okay. So write this answer, all of you. Write fast, all of you. Be careful, all of you. Whenever you do this type of questions, means subtraction with B grouping. Okay. The two things you have to keep in mind is, when you borrow from the number, you have to decrease it by 1. Okay. Like here, see, when you have taken away 1 from 5, we have made the change. Okay. The change you have to write. You have to cut 5 and write 4. Okay. When you borrow, you have to make the change here at the 10th place. Okay. And another thing, the borrowing which you are passing to 1's place, there also you have to make the changes. Okay. If you will not make take the change and subtract like that, only your answer will get wrong. Okay, I hope you all have written. So now we'll forward to other questions. Move forward to other questions. Next is question number E. Question number E. Okay, so 30 minus 14. Question is 30 minus 14. Okay. Sana Zafar, where are you? Sana Zafar. Second E. Yes. Okay. The numbers are 30 and 14. We have to subtract 30 minus 14. We have to take away 14 from 30. Okay. Now, what is at last place? 0 and 4. Okay. Now, to subtract, we need to borrow from 3. As we cannot take away any number from 0, we need to borrow from 3. Tens place. Okay. We need to borrow from tens place. And what is at tens place? 3. Now, when we'll take away 1 from 3, what is left? What is left? DT Gupta, second D. DT Gupta, when we take away 1 from 3, what is left? Show me your answer in fingers. Show me your fingers. What will be the answer? When we'll take away 1 from 3, what is left here? DT Gupta. 3 में से 1 ले लिया. So what is left? Show me your fingers. DT. Sana Zafar. Sana Zafar. Show me your fingers. When we take away 1 from 3, what is left? Okay. When we take away 1 from 3, okay? 3, we have taken away 1, so what is left? 2, okay? So what will be the change? 3 becomes 2. When we take away 1 from 3, it becomes 2. And what will be the change here? 0 क्या हो जाएगा? What will be the change here? The 0 becomes 10. The 0 becomes 10. Okay? When 110 goes to 1's place, it gets converted into 10. So 10 minus 4. Now you have to subtract the numbers 10 minus 4. Okay? So 10 minus 4. You have to take away 4 from 10. Okay? So taken away 4. Now what is left? 5, 6. Okay? So 10 minus 4. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. Very good, Dhirendra. Okay. Now, what is at tens place? Tens place is what? Now we have 2 and 1. We have to take away 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. Very good. Dhirendra is trying answering. Okay. Yes. Sanskriti also. Now, question number F. Are you all writing? Dhirendra writing also? Complete it. Okay, Shiva Gupta. Now, next question is 60 minus 39. 60 minus 39. Now, we have 0 and 9 at 1's place. Now, to subtract, we need to borrow from which number? We need to borrow from 6. Okay? 6 से help लेंगे. Okay, to subtract. Now, how much we can borrow from 6? We can borrow only 1. Okay, we can borrow only 1. So, when we'll take away 1 from 6, what is left behind? Very good, Shiva Gupta. Yes. When we'll take away 1 from 6, what is left? 5. Okay. Now when this 1 passes to 1's place, okay, we are borrowing 1, this 1 passes to 1's place. Yes, very good. Very good, Garvit. Yes, 0 becomes 10. Okay, very nice. Now we'll subtract. Very good. The answer is 10 minus 9. Ananya Dubey, second E. 10 minus 9. What will be the answer? Count on your fingers and tell me. Yes, very good. 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. Okay. Now, Priyal Singh, second day, Priyal Singh, roll number 36. Show me your fingers. What will be the answer if you will take away 3 from 5? Okay, 5 minus 3, what will be the answer? 5 minus 3, what will be the answer? Yes. 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Written all of you? Shiva Gupta written? The next is 70 minus 43. 70 minus 43. Okay. 70 minus 43. Now, we'll subtract first 1's place. What we have at 1's place? 0 and 3. Okay. So, to subtract the number from 0, we need to borrow 1 from 10's place. Now, what is at 10's place? 7. When we'll take away 1 from 7, when we'll borrow 1 from 7, what is left behind? Yes, very good, Garvit. Anvesha Chaturvedi, second day. What is left behind when we'll take away, when we'll borrow 1 from 7? Show me your fingers. Past. 7 में से 1 ले लिया. When we'll take away 1 from 7, what is left? Anvesha, try out. 7 minus 1, what is left? Count on your fingers. Yeah. Yes. So when we take away 1 from 7, what is left? 6. The answer is 6. Okay, good. So, here you have changed this tens place. You have made the changes. Now, when this borrowing passes to 1's place, what will be the change? The 0 becomes, show me your fingers all of you. 0 becomes what? 0 क्या हो जाएगा? Yes, very good. Yes, 0 becomes 10. Okay, when 110 passes to 1's place, it gets converted into 10 ones. So 0 here becomes 10. 10 plus 0 will be 10. Okay, this will be the change when we have 0 at 1's place. Okay, now we'll subtract 10 minus 3. Subtract all of you. 10 minus 3. Okay, open 10 fingers and take away 3. What will be the answer? Yes, Shiva, your answer is correct. Anvesha, your answer is also correct. Let me see. All of you show me your fingers. What will be the answer? Yes, Aladhya. Saurabh, your answer is correct. Prachi, what are you doing? Alina Murmu, what will be the answer? Show me your fingers. Shreyashi Srivastav, second D. Shreyashi, what will be the answer? Show me your fingers. 10 minus 3. Yes, good. Okay, so answer is 7. 10 minus 3, the answer is 7. Okay, very good. You all are trying. The answer is 7. Now what we have to subtract here at 10's place. Here we have 6 and 4. you have to take away 4 from 6. You have to take away 4 from 6. So the answer will be Trishnet. Trishnet. Show me your fingers. What will be the answer? 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Count on your fingers and show me your fingers. What will be the... Yes, very good. The answer is 2. 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. Okay. Now, I'll be writing question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is 40 minus 22. Okay. 40 minus 22. So, we'll subtract first ones place. What we have at ones place? We have to take away 2 from 0. We cannot subtract. So, to subtract, we need to borrow from tens place. Okay. So, when we borrow 1 from 4, what is left behind? When we'll borrow 1 from 4, what is left behind? Somebody sing 2C. What is left behind, beta? Show me your fingers. If we take away 1 from 4, what is left? Count on your fingers and show me your fingers. When we take away 1 from 4, 4 में से 1 ले लिया तो कितना बचा? What is left behind? When we take away 1 from, yes, 3. So when we take away 1 from 4, what is left? 3. Okay, what is left? 3. Manya Singh, what are you doing? Okay, so when we pass this borrowing to ones place, what will be the change? 0 becomes 10. Okay, 0 becomes 10. And now we'll subtract ones place first. What is that ones place now? Now we have 10 and 2. We have to take away 2 from 10. So subtract all of you on your fingers and tell me the answer. Subtract on your fingers and tell me your answer. Ayansh Verma, when we'll take away 2 from 10, what will be the answer? Show me your fingers. Yes, the answer is 8. 10 minus 2. The answer is 8. Okay? Very good. Okay. Now, what we have at tens place? We have 3 and 2. We have to subtract 2 from 3. Okay? So, Ashvi, second D. Ashvi, second D. What will be the answer? 3 minus 2. Ashvi, subtract on your fingers and tell me the answer. Yeah, the answer is 1. 3 minus 2. What is left? 1. Yes, very good. Aradhya saying very good. Now, 8 questions are done here. I have explained and we have solved here. Now, I'll be asking you, okay? I'll unmute you and ask you. Now, we'll solve these 4 questions, okay? Now, you will tell me how we will solve, okay? This much is done here. Now, you will solve all these questions with me, okay? All have written the answer? Let me write the questions first. Question number I is 80 minus 66. Then 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16. Okay. So, to see Kaustubh Tripathi, unmute yourself. Kaustubh Tripathi. Kaustubh Tripathi. Yes. So Kaustubh, solve this question. We have to subtract 66 from 80. Okay. So, which place?
यहाँ से इसको कैसे किया?
Kaustubh, look at the screen. Are you able to see this question?
लोग ये 10 हिंदी बता दो ना। 10 मैम 10.
What will be the change? This become 10. But उसके पहले क्या करते हैं? You are correct. 0 becomes 10. But उसके पहले कहाँ पे changes करते हैं? ऐसे 10 आ जाएगा? No ना? We will borrow ना? First we'll borrow 1 from next place. Okay. तो शुरुआत वहां से करते हैं. First, when from which number we'll borrow? From which number we'll borrow? First, borrowing कौन से नंबर में से करेंगे? 1 हम लेते हैं ना पहले. So 1 कौन से नंबर में से लेंगे? First, look at the board. Look at the board. Which number is this? What is the number? Can you read this number? First, beta, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Don't look here and there. Look at the screen. First, यहाँ पे देखो. ये क्या नंबर है? 80. 80. First, answer me. Till now you were answering. Now what happened? First, okay. Sanskriti. Kaustubh, mute yourself. Sanskriti. Second C. Sanskriti. Second C. Unmute yourself. Okay. Samarth Rai. Samarth Rai.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Samarth Rai.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to subtract 66 from 80. Okay. So first we'll subtract ones place. So what are the digits at ones place? What we have at ones place? 0 and 6. Okay. We have to take away 6 from 0. Okay. We have to take away 6 from 0. Subtraction हो पाएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Can we take away 6 from 0? Yes or no? Samarth, are you able to see the question? 0 में से 6 subtract होगा. क्या करेंगे? Subtraction के लिए क्या करेंगे? What will we do for subtraction? Subtract 6 from 0. What can we do here? What will be the change here? We borrow from 8.
Ma'am, camera खोल दे.
Yeah, Samarth, you are not able to see this question?
No, ma'am.
वीडियो का है।
मैं तो अपना ऑन कर दिया, बस मैम अपना ऑफ किया. अपना कर दो.
एक मिनट, वेट.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, now you see, you have to take away 6 from 0. Can we subtract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how? What will
Good
be?
morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good, beta. Just solve this. Can we subtract?
24.
Yeah.
24.
Correct answer. Tell me here. What will we do? What will be the change here in this number? Don't tell me direct answer. यहाँ पे बताओ what will we do? To subtract, what can we do? We cannot take away any number from 0, right? 0 means nothing. We cannot subtract. So what we need to do? We need to borrow from 8. We need to borrow 1 from 8. So what will be the change here? What will be?
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay. So here, Ananya Singh. Ananya Singh. Unmute yourself, Ananya. Ananya Singh, second A. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just tell me, when will borrow 1 from 8, what is left? When will borrow 1 from 8, what is left?
पापा इधर आ जाइए।
Yes?
यहाँ पे मेरा आवाज नहीं करते तब भी मेरा आवाज नहीं जा रहा है। नहीं।
Akshat Tripathi, second E. Akshat Tripathi, second E. Unmute yourself. Akshat Tripathi. Akshat Tripathi. Unmute your mic. I'm not able to hear. I'm not getting your voice. Unmute your mic. Okay, show me your fingers. Okay. Now, when will take away 1 from 8, what is left? Count on your fingers, subtract on your fingers and tell me. What is left? 8 में से 1 ले लिया, what is left? Show me your fingers, beta. 8 में से 1 ले लिया, then what is left? We cannot, yes, very good. Okay, so children, listen carefully. when we have to subtract the number from 0, okay, what we need to do is we need to borrow from next place. Okay, we cannot subtract any number from 0, so we need to borrow from next place. Okay, so when we'll borrow this 8 from 8, when we'll take 1 away, what is left? 8 minus 1, it will be 7. Okay, it will be 7. Now we have borrowed 1 from 8. Now when it passes to 1's place, it gets converted into 10. Okay, okay, so now we have to subtract this 10 and 6. So 10 minus 6, what is left? Yes, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. And what is 7 minus 6? 1. Very good. Okay. Now next one. Manyata, second A. Unmute yourself. Manyata, second A. Unmute yourself.
हो गया
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Manyata, now we have to solve question number J. Okay, we have to subtract this. We have to take away 16 from 20. Okay, so very first step is we have to subtract this 1's place. Okay, so what we have at 1's place? 0 and 6. We have to take away 6 from 0. Okay, can we subtract? 0 में से कोई number subtract होता है?
No, ma'am.
So to subtract, what we need to do?
Borrow.
So we'll borrow from which number?
10.
कौन से नंबर में से borrowing करेंगे? We'll borrow. You have to borrow. Okay, this 0 becomes 10. You all know this. But before that, what we do? उसके पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं? उसके पहले borrowing करेंगे ना? किस नंबर से borrowing करेंगे? नंबर किससे लेंगे? नंबर किस में से लेंगे? 1 लेंगे? जब 1 लेंगे,
Yes, ma'am. 10.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? What will be the change here?
4. Answers 4.
No, I'm not asking answer. I want to know what will be the change here at 10th place. हम लोग जब borrowing करते हैं, you all know now that 0 becomes 10, 0 becomes 10. But what will be the change at 10th place? Okay, 10th place में हम लोग borrowing करते हैं, इसमें भी तो change करते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो इसमें क्या होगा? बताओ, what will happen? We will borrow 1 from 2.
1.
So when we take away 1 from 2, what is left behind? 1.
1.
Cut 2 and write 1 above. Okay. Now this is the thing you need to remember. This is the thing you need to learn in subtraction. Okay. When we borrow, okay, we make the change here. Borrowing के बाद हम लोग जिस नंबर के लिए borrow करते हैं, हम लोग इसमें change कर देते हैं. Okay. Most of the children do this mistake, but they do not change the number from which they borrow. Okay, so be careful all of you and listen carefully all of you how I am solving all these questions. Okay, already 8 questions are solved. Before this class also we have solved subtraction with regrouping, exercise 4.5. Okay, okay, now here we have what we have at 1's place, 10 and 6. We have to take away 6 from 10. So what will be the answer? Subtract on your fingers. Tell me the answer. Manyata, 6. We have to take away 6 from 10.
Ma'am, 4.
Yeah, 4. So where will we write 4? Here the 10's place or 1's place?
1's place.
Yes, 1's place. Okay, now what we have to subtract here at 10's place is 1 minus 1.
0.
Okay, 0. Okay, so answer is 4. Okay, thank you, Manyata. Mute your mic.
Welcome, ma'am.
Mute your mic. Okay, now Okay. Abhigyan Singh, second C. Unmute your mic. Abhigyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhigyan. Now, which question we have to solve?
Ma'am, I.
I. Can you read the numbers we have to subtract there? I and J are done, beta.
Okay.
Okay. Now solve fast, Abhigyan. Now we have, the time is up now. Okay. So here we have to subtract 74 from 90. Now we have what we have at first place. We have to take away 4 from 0. Okay. But we cannot subtract. So we need to borrow from 9. We need to borrow 1 from 9. So when we take away 1 from 9, becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. Now subtract and tell me what is 10 minus 4?
Ma'am, 14.
What? 10 minus 4. Take away 4 from 10. The answer will be 6 and 8 minus 7, the answer will be 1. Okay. Now children, time is up. So this last question I am giving to solve you. Okay. In next class I will ask the answer. Okay. You have to give me the answer and you have to tell me each and every step how you have to, how you have solved this. Okay. Okay. Now those who have any doubts can ask me question. Okay. Now it's your turn. Mute your mic, Abhigyan. Raise your hands. Alina, unmute your mic.
Ma'am, ma'am, मेरा पूरा हो गया है.
Okay, well, this is your doubt. If you have doubt, then only raise your hand. Okay. अगर आपको आगे में कोई question पूछना है, then only raise your hand. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 80 minus 67 कितना होता है?
That you solve. I have given you in homework. Mute your.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Anvesha Chaturvedi. Unmute your mic, Anvesha, fast.
Ma'am, PDF में आएगा.
I will give some other questions. Okay. I'll give some other questions to write in copy. Yes, children. I'll be uploading some subtraction questions today. Okay. That questions you have to download and write in your copy. Okay. That you have to do in your copy. Clear? I will
Yes, ma'am.
upload some subtraction questions today. You have to complete it in your copy. Okay. Anvesha, mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Anantya Saurabh, unmute yourself. Unmute your mic. Fast.
मैडम मैंने कल तो मैडम जो होमवर्क कल करना था ना मैंने आज कर लिया है.
अच्छा. Okay, very good. I'll ask the answer in next class. Okay, time is up now. Okay. Mute your mic. Anybody else? Manyata, any question? Then why your hands are raised? I don't know. Okay, children, now we'll meet in next class. I hope you all have completed the work till now we have done. Okay, and today also after I upload the work, subtraction questions, download and write it in neat and clean handwriting in your copies. Okay, so that's all for today, dear students. Have a nice day, all of you. Bye.